Dr. Pepper continue to grind lower, and technically I should have not had entered at all. At all when it closed. Did I enter in March? I didn't enter on 1st of March. I was sold by this volume. I like this volume, so should have not. Because volume can trick you again and again and again. And on its ways down, ooh, it can. I like this volume though. It's a Friday volume, so like don't be too excited about it. But yeah, I should have not be buying of daily here at all. It looks okay. It will let me out into the money. Yeah, you see what it did here? Mm, formed this, broke it down like it never existed. Went here, springed it, and violently went up. Yeah. So I think it will hit my break even. I don't want to do anything with this mm, stock now anymore. Dr. Pepper, I'm sorry. And you know how funny it is? Like, I'm now surrounded with people who drink Dr. Pepper. And I'm not jealous about them at all because I think all soda is a liquid poison. But yeah, like I start seeing Dr. Pepper like everywhere. There is some Dr. Pepper fetish in the hood. But yeah, one bar reversal, rare case, would be hard to believe, but that's what American stock market does. Yeah. Anyhow, I think it will be enough volatility for me to get out of this deal. I'm not gonna guessing. So like now there is no contextual direction. Like I would love to buy it again when it manipulates this level. Hmm. But not till then. Now I just want my ticket out. Or I'll get stuck in this. Um stuck. I'll get stuck in this stock. Stock? My pronunciation is not good enough to distinguish those two, stock and the stock. Yeah, I mean, last hour of the day, it's also last hour of the day. So yeah, nothing like super exciting that made me like reverse my decision. HSBC went to this volume zone and doo, like a ping pong, just flew. Was it a setup yesterday? It was a setup yesterday. Yeah. Here was the entry point. Boom. Well, yeah. In point five, yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah. That was a yesterday trade. And um, yeah, that was a yesterday trade on HSBC. You see how like rather than holding this entire time, how much like how many times you can make your money? Mm, no volume though, absolutely no volume. And increasing volume here, no, yeah, I wouldn't be able to identify. If we go down to 5 minutes though, hmm, this stock is a roller coaster. The roller coaster that I like to to ride. Mm, yeah, point 0.5, but no volume here. No, I wouldn't be able to identify it, I think. I would have missed this train. Yeah, boom. Yes, higher never breaks. That would have been an entry level. Let me think. Aggressive, so would need a test. And test is here. Like, it's a long, long test, but yeah, that could have been a play. because of point 0.5 on hourly, quick and easy. Re-entry after the test. If was able to keep it here, could have been like a way bigger trade, yeah. But yeah, nothing here would suggest that there's no volume. It's like dying. Yeah, the smart money is generating a flat, boring environment. Sounds familiar. In point 0.5. Yeah. Yeah, no, I don't think I would have been able to. Like, and even so, it's like counter trend. Technically, I should have only traded to. It isn't like, yeah, no. No, I think I won't be able to identify anything here, to be honest with you. But um, yeah, it's a good deal. It's still a good deal. Um, Air products is accumulating. Good. Too high for the correction. Like correction is somewhere to point 0.5. Yeah, I wouldn't touch it. WDS is going higher to let me out of this trade. Is there anything I'm missing on this stock? No, there's nothing I'm missing on this stock. Oops. Sorry. Yeah. Yeah. Only if seen as independent approach, then yeah, no, nothing. I mean, yeah, yeah. That's it. Let's see our what's our aim. Ooh, ooh. Oh yeah, yeah. Yeah, it can just fly tomorrow on Monday. It will just fly. I think we missed this guy. It will gap. It will gap over tomorrow. Over Monday. Look at this guy. It's beautiful. It is beautiful. Yeah, that was a setup of the week. That could have been a setup of the week for me. This entire week. Point 0.5 day level. Ay. No volume though. Like the last volume of the day. Then never mind. Still no volume. It's unvolumed. Oh, guys, there is no volume here. Last volume of the day. I still think it might gap. Because why wouldn't it? Yeah, like absolutely no volume here. So what happened here remains a mystery. I think it will gap. There is no volume. We'll keep an eye. We'll keep on watching the stock. That's our Dr. Pepper. Yeah. Yeah, that's all we've got. Ooh. Ooh. Look at this volume. What a... Is it even real? Like, I mean, is it even real? Something happened here today. I don't... It's just like... There's something I don't understand. I need to go work in the pit to understand the American market, the stock market. I don't understand this volume. It's huge volume. Like it doesn't look this huge on hourly, but on daily it looks humongous. It's like the biggest volume of since here. That's weird. We'll see on Monday. I don't know. I don't know what's going on here. Monthly shows that it would like rather go here. Like I mean, it's unidirectional right now, so there is no okay. There is no contextual direction on monthly for me now. But this like volume tries to tell us something. Just don't know what. I don't know what. Okay, it came here. Ooh, that was violent. That was violent. Yeah. It's changing directionality for now. So now we'd rather see it come here. This guy went without us. Absolutely didn't wait for us. How rude. How rude from Nice to do that. Morgan Stanley recovering from this. Once again, this volume. It's not like. Where is this volume coming from? Is it volume coming from. Like, what if we just. Will it add up if you like see all the volumes? So it's 200K, 100, so 300K, 420, 560, 725, a million, million, a million and 250,000 volumes. And here, $20 million volumes. How does it make any sense? There's something that I don't understand. Now, we should ask, and I will ask right now from the. And these volumes don't count. So this is 15th of March. $117 to 250, let's say 350, and it shows different volume already. 350, I can see it. 500, 650, 7, 830, 830. Oh, hold on, there was also morning, but that doesn't matter. Yeah, these volumes, they just don't matter. So once again, 120, 260, 360, 3, 4, 510, 660, 660, 7, 830, 830, 830, so 9 million 20 million and 200, and this doesn't count. So yeah, million and 200, like 1,200,000 shares it shows on March 15 on hourly chart. And daily chart shows 20 million. How is that possible? Let's ask. I have only one way to know. My support tickets. Contact us. Chart. Hi James. Hope I hope this message finds you well. Uh, Volumes and differ. I observe also a mismatch of volumes of volumes and different time frame per se. MS stock has roughly 1 million shares volume on hourly chart for March 15th. However, daily chart for MC shows 20 million shares volume for the same day. Do you have any ideas what can hmm, what can cause this drastic difference? Thank you. Maybe it's dark pools. I don't know. I mean, cordially, Misha. Um, there is a thing called dark pools. That's where like bigger market participant change shares uh, somehow outside of the market. I have no other ways to explain it because let's see like 2 hours really change anything. More 15, 300, like 500, 900, the same, 900 million and 10. I don't know. It just doesn't make no sense. We'll see what Jim. Oh, hey Casey. Hey man. How you been? How you been? I'm catching up. I wasn't trading today. How you been? Just missed the trade of the week. I'm trying, Casey. If you know the answer, let me know. I wrote to support. I'm freaking out about like mismatch of the volumes. I'm good. I'm trying to investigate what causes a mismatch of volumes that I experience on regular basis. See, like this shows like that Morgan Stanley changed like 20 million shares during the day. But if you go and calculate all the 15th of March on hourly, it will be like less. It would be like 1.2 million shares. So like they somehow shows like 20 times more, and I have no idea like what causes this difference in volume. And that can be an answer to a lot of things. I wrote to support. I'll see what they have to answer. My only idea is that, and you see, like they didn't update it. Like they updated today by the close of the, maybe it's like dark pools. I don't know, and it doesn't show nothing. And like if I show the gosh, extended hour doesn't change a thing. Extended hours are like, I mean, it's dirt. It's nothing. So I don't know where all this volume is coming from. It's not the first, like it's the first time I like deliberately calculated, but I saw this mismatch all across the board. It's just like something weird, and it would be very interesting to understand because it kind of changes. Say it's March 6, 25 million. I bet there was no 25 million in March 6. March 6 is from here. Yeah, like that's million, million 300, million 660, million 960, mm, 2 million and 4, 2 and 8, 3.2. So like hourly chart shows 3.2 million shares change hands on March 6th. And here it shows 25 million. Like I don't understand it. Because it will change the view of the market, I guess, because if this volume was neglectable, I would have seen it differently, the whole thing that happened here. So anyhow, I wrote to support a support ticket and we'll see what they have to answer. Yeah, if anyone knows the answer, please fill me in because it just doesn't make no sense to me. Um, Show me your setups if you have any. Let's take a look at them because I don't have much. I missed the AMT, but probably I wouldn't be able to identify it here. So like technically, and once again, let's see, 3.3 million for 15s. And here's 15K, 13K, okay, like 30K, 50K, 60, like dirt, 70, okay, like 100K, 150K. So like our hourly chart shows that only like what 40K, like 40,000 shares changed hand on hourly, but daily shows otherwise. I don't understand. I'm gonna go check like crypto, but I don't think that happens on crypto a lot. I think it only happens on the American market, and I think it's a dark pool, so-called dark pools. That's what's going on here, I think. Um, yeah, and that will explain a lot. But they technically they should have put it to like after hours. Yeah, you see, like the volume spread analysis only works, or I'll need to start receiving the direct data from the exchange. That might be also like part of the reason. Anyhow, let's see what's like. Woo, what is this? Uh, they pay dividends. They American stock. Gosh, this now is in my head. Like once I find something like some phenomena, it's kind of it gets the best of me. Now I won't be able to sleep. I'll be just thinking about what's going on. There's a little accumulation that turned out to be distribution here, and then it went down. Um, did you close anything for profit, Casey? Like how's your trading going on? I'm kind of like sitting on my hands here a little bit lately. Above goes down, breaks above. It's like here, makes this level here, then goes down, breaks above, breaks above. So these were the last levels. Let me see what case you got. Come see, come sa. Yeah, my week is like the same. And I was a little distracted. This like stage managing experience gets the best of me, and I was auditioning today. Probably missed the setup. But yeah, it's okay. That's the part of the. I don't know how to like. Um, that's what I call a coin fell on the, like, what do you call it? There is head and tails, and like there is the edge. The coin fell on the edge here, so there was kind of like that was an upthrust, and then this bar comes in. It's also, yeah, so it's now here. Um, and since it's here, well, I'm like super like technical, super methodical right now. I don't think it's. I think it's like more in this corridor, wider corridor. But to be like super technical, it's here in the bullish trend in the long impulse. Um, I don't like the fact that it's interacting with resistance, and once again, like it couldn't break it, so there was no. There is a splash of volume, so probably that's where bears and bulls, buyers and sellers, like fought a little bit, and the outcome is unclear. Um, it will tend to continue like in the direction of the trend, which is still bullish. It's an uptrend. But yeah, I would have expected some kind of correction here. Not till after the reaction bar is closed. So I would let the market to decide who wins, who loses, and then I would have joined the winner against the loser. That's my strategy. Yeah, day looks weird as well. I don't understand like what's going on here. Just like when I see something like that, I just like abandon the stock and let it decide its fate, and then just join after the stock market made its decisions. Because for now it looks like mm, there's no distinctive strength in any direction I see as of now. Like in the long term, on monthly, yes, it's distinctively long, but not on the, like, look, it's going just back and forth, and it's like it's a no man's land. I think. Then it goes, does this huge spring, and then it goes all the way up. So like something happened like here and up. Yeah, there was this little kind of. I don't want to even draw it because it like hurts my eye, because like um the system is created like to be like respected and obeyed, but also when you see that it just doesn't work at this um what do you call it in English, um, at this episode of the market, you just let it go, because I can tell you like this drawing just doesn't make any sense. I'm just being persistent because I'm like Taurus. I'm very persistent in my life, but realistically it's like, yeah, that's not how market works. Or if you see it like a little larger, maybe if you see it like, was there any volume here? Yeah, there's not much volume. It did respect this level though. You can see the whole episode like this, and then at least it will make a little bit of sense. But yeah, no, Casey, like this doesn't make no sense for me. So like if mm, to look at it like this a little bit, mm, and then there's this huge spring. Yeah, but no, I don't think. No, it's not fair to chart it like this. No, I cannot tell you what's going on here. And once again, let me check my 1 million for 15s, and today where it started. Again, 4K, 4, so it's 8, and then 16, 19, 12, 22, 22, 22, 40, like 43. Doesn't make no sense. So like hourly shows that 43,000 shares changed hands on 15th. And this one shows like 1.2 million. There's something I do not understand. Either I kind of like do some noob's mistake in calculation, or like something is off. um, we'll wait for the answer from James from the support. But yeah, no, I can't tell you nothing about this stock except for like the long term trend is still bullish. It's trying to break, it's trying to decide it, like it up thrusted, and then like on the test it's kind of like did another bearish bar, which is kind of like neutral with the volume. Mm, um, I don't understand that. Yeah, no, I mean, I like to understand things. They need to add up and make sense. But yeah, this huge thing over earnings, and then no, bro, like like on daily it was also it changed the direction. Here it went short after this upthrust, and then it reversed, and then technically like it's long, but it's BS. It's just doesn't make no sense. Just doesn't make no sense. 1 2 1 2. Technically, yeah, technically it's in this like long balance on daily, manipulating the resistance level of the superior time frame monthly. So by all means, I would be looking like for short, quick trades, because that's my entire strategy. Your strategy is a little different. You kind of like you want to take like longer runs, and I'm working in the noise because I know that statistically there's going to be like some movement here, some reaction from this resistance, and I'm trying to catch it. It's like the short quick deal and then quit. Let me just do something out of curiosity again. Like I want to count like February now, just for it's 220. It's going to be from here. I want to see if the months adds up uh, daily compared um, to monthly, starting from the first. So 220, it's a 450. It's 6 730. It's 930. It's million and one and million 210. Million 21. Let's call it million 21. Million 52. Million 79. Million, gosh, 79. So it's like 2 million and 5, 2 million of 5, 2 million 35, 2 million 60 71, 2 million, so 3 million and 11, 3 million 67, 4 million, 5 million and 52, 5 million 52. Gosh, I'm getting lost. 5 million 52, 6 million 37, so 6 million 77, 6 million, so 7 million 27, 7 million, gosh, 7 million, 8 million, and uh, gosh, my mind is collapsing too. So no, I've lost it. Never mind. So like it was 7 million something, and say so it was like 8 millions, roughly speaking. Yeah, you see. So the months and day checkout. So the months and day checkout. I'll need to check it more, but I just like I'm so tired right now. But it looks like months and day they check out, but day and hourly they don't add up a lot at all. But yeah, sorry, Case. I spaced out as this crap. Nothing that I can tell you about Westlake except it's like in a long balance on daily, like which is, I mean, this is bananas. And here, so I don't see any strength. If it was to break it, I want to see like some strength. But like for 4 months, it's kind of like stumbling here in the resistance of the monthly. It's in the counter trend level. So if it was strong, wave, strong impulse, it should have broken it. I'm not saying it will not. I'm just saying that for me, it's not right time to enter the fight. Try to keep. Oh, dude, it's even like what is it? Like it's like 10, 11 p.m. right now at your place. So yeah, I want to bail out because like I have like we have like 2 days to prep for Monday, and I don't see nothing exciting. I think I'll need to analyze more stocks, but for now this guy doesn't show like it accumulates here or maybe distributes. When I say accumulates, I mean like consolidate. Oh, consolidates. That's the better word I should use. So it's definitely consolidates here, like so someone is like vacuuming, hoovering, like accumulating, like picking up all the liquidity from the market, which I cannot, within my system of knowledge, I cannot say whether smart money like accumulate the stock or distribute the stock. I cannot tell you that. I cannot say that. After this upthrust, I would say that the like contextual direction of this model. So in 1st of February, I would have said that contextual direction, and it did some move. You see, it did this move, not always to 0.5, and now it's kind of resuming the main trend. So it did this counter trend move, and the potential is up to 0.5 of the impulse. And now I would say the counter trend movement exhausted. So, like in February, I would have looked for short entries starting from here, like something on hourly, whatever. I don't because I don't trade short, but uh, I could have within my system. But now it made its move and now it kicked back. And yeah, it's right in the middle of the fight. Like that's the best way I can explain it. It's right in the middle of the fight, and I cannot see any of the sides winning. I can say that more likely than not, uh, buyers will win because that's how it goes, like in the direction of the trend. However, there is nothing on either monthly or daily, and there is absolutely no point to go on hourly um, to support this idea. So yeah, Casey, bro, I want to go. Like my brain is so slow. If you have any setups, let's take a look. Like I'll be streaming again during the weekend, tomorrow, day after tomorrow. Catch me online, and I'll take a look at more stocks. But now I need some rest. So hopefully I'll see you before Monday, and we'll take a look at more setups. Maybe I'll do crypto Saturday or crypto Sunday Funday. We'll see. Yeah, absolutely, Casey. Anytime. Take care, my man.